welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarambai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Dozens of educators are participating in the Diploma in Salesian Pedagogy course being held at the Lo Cana Spirituality Center in Santiago from January 8 to the 20th. This year, the course has returned to the presential mode as it's starting again from the first level. A total of 29 people are participating, 20 from schools at the Salesian of Don Bosco SDB and 9 from those of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, all with responsibilities in the various areas of school management. The educational proposal of this degree is coordinated by the SDB and FMA province of Chile in collaboration with the Catholic University Silva Henriquez. In this first level, the first 30 years of Don Bosco's and Mother Mazarero's life are being studied and discussed to know their history, pedagogy and spirituality. A century ago, the Salesians founded a theological studentate and oratory in Turin's Croqueta neighborhood. 100 years of history, rich in events and people, in which God has truly worked for the good of the people who have come to this house and of the congregation all over the world. In the Salesian house, many sons of Don Bosco prepared for the priesthood and held important positions for the congregation and the church. Among them, a rector major, Father Edmundo Vecchi, cardinals and bishops such as Card, Joseph Gen, Tarcisio, Berton and others, rectors of universities, superiors of Salesian provinces, missionaries, but also and above all, many Salesians serving young people in 135 countries around the world. Winter in Eastern Europe can kill even in normal times. Temperatures reach 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Today in Ukraine, however, the situation is much worse than it usually is, as many houses have broken windows or partially demolished walls, and the inhabitants do not have adequate means to insulate their homes, nor do they have enough warm clothes or blankets. For this reason, Salesians and lay people co-responsible in the Don Bosco mission have initiated a winterization program to help the Ukrainian population cope with the winter. On Saturday, January 7th, at the Don Bosco IFAK Kimihurura Center, the Strena 2023 by the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, as the leaven in today's human family, the late dimension in the family of Don Bosco, in the presence of the Salesian family of the Africa Great Lakes Vice Province AGL. The event began with a prayer which was followed by an explanatory in-depth session on the theme of the Strena by Father Raymond Bavu Miragie AGL Vicar, who said, "We are all called to be the leaven of our centers to provide a lifeline to the youth of today." Afterward, the Strena 2023 video was screened, followed by a question and answer session. The event concluded with Mass presided over by Father Pierre Celestine Ngoboka, AGL Superior, who stressed that the Rector Major Strena must become leaven in today's human family. On January 13th and 14th, the John Bosco Center in Lyon hosted the annual meeting of the network of Salesian schools of the Salesians and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of France and South Belgium on the theme, Being in Pastoral Responsibility. On the occasion, the participants, more than 70 principals and assistants, worked through the Salesian Compass, an orientation tool with many reference points to support the development of the Salesian Pastoral Educational Project of each Salesian work and house. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.